A Gardener's Guide to the Alluring Picea Omorika. As a botanist with a passion for unique and captivating conifers, the Picea omorika, or Serbian spruce, has always held a special place in my heart. This majestic evergreen boasts an elegance and resilience that makes it a standout in any landscape. Over the years, I've delved deep into its characteristics, care requirements, and ideal companions, and I'm eager to share this knowledge with fellow horticulturists. See more 41 species in genus Picea at monsteraholic.com. What is Picea omorika? The Picea omorika, native to a limited range in western Serbia and eastern Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a true rarity in the plant kingdom. Endemic to the Drina River Valley, this spruce thrives at high altitudes, clinging to life between 800 and 1,600 meters. Despite its limited natural habitat, the Serbian spruce has blossomed as a beloved ornamental tree in gardens across North America and Europe. Standing tall and proud, the Picea omorika reaches a mature height of around 60 feet, 18 meters, with a slender trunk and a captivatingly narrow, pyramidal crown. Unlike some evergreens that can appear bulky, the Picea omorika exudes a sense of grace, its form drawing the eye upwards. One of its most striking features is its unique foliage. The needles, a vibrant green with a hint of silver, have a fascinating habit of growing upwards and slightly forward, creating a mesmerizing texture. This captivating evergreen isn't just visually stunning, it's surprisingly adaptable as well. The Picea omorika flourishes in a wide range of soil conditions, from slightly acidic to alkaline, and even tolerates clay and sandy soils. However, for optimal health, a well-drained, moist loam provides the ideal environment. How to grow and care for Serbian spruce. While the Picea omorika isn't overly demanding, providing the right care from the start ensures it thrives for generations to come. Choosing the perfect location is crucial. This spruce prefers full sun, although it can tolerate some light shade. Strong winds can be detrimental, so avoid planting in exposed areas. When selecting a young Picea omorika, opt for a reputable nursery that specializes in conifers. Dig a planting hole that's twice the diameter of the root ball and slightly deeper. Gently loosen the roots of the tree before placing it in the hole, ensuring the root flares sit slightly above the soil level. Backfill the hole with the removed soil, tamping gently to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly to settle the soil and continue to water deeply, particularly during the first growing season, to encourage root development. Once established, the Picea omorika requires minimal maintenance. Regular watering during dry spells is beneficial, especially for younger trees. A light application of mulch around the base of the tree helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilization isn't typically necessary, as the Serbian spruce thrives in most well-drained soils. Perfect companions for the Picea omorika. The Picea omorika's slender form and captivating green foliage make it a versatile addition to a variety of garden styles. Here are a few ideas for planting companions that will complement its beauty. Low-growing flowering shrubs, azaleas, rhododendrons, and hydrangeas add a splash of color and texture to the base of the tree, creating a visually interesting layered effect. Shade-loving perennials, hostas, ferns, and coral bells thrive in the dappled shade cast by the Serbian spruce, providing a lush ground cover. Other conifers, creating a miniature conifer forest with dwarf pines, firs, and junipers nestled around the Picea omorika adds depth and visual intrigue to the garden. By carefully selecting plants that share similar sun and moisture requirements, you can create a harmonious and visually captivating landscape that showcases the elegance of the Picea omorika. With its captivating form, adaptable nature, and minimal maintenance needs, the Picea omorika is a true gem for any garden. By following these simple planting and care tips, you can ensure this alluring Serbian spruce becomes a cherished focal point in your outdoor space for years to come.